Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct the part 15 for toy plane in Autodesk Inventor software. In this, double click the motor. We are going to construct the motor part, which will be the main part for the toy plane propeller. Now go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch, take XY plane. Here take the line command. From the center point, make a straight line. Make one line like this, one here, one here, one here, and join this. Go to dimension, define this dimension as 12, define this total as 40, and here define this as 20, and define this height as 5. Okay. Now go to rectangle, take 2-point rectangle. From this center point, make one rectangle profile, go to dimension, define height here as 5 and the distance of 12 mm. Finish sketch, and here take revolve, select this profile, go to axis and select this as axis of rotation. Okay, press OK. Now here define this as chrome finish. Okay, and save it. Save it as part 15. Okay, motor, and save. So this will be the 15th part. For more part or the previous parts, you can watch the previous videos for the complete assembly. Thank you.